This is Block 8, Pax Americana, Section 6, Seeds of the Civil Rights Movement, with the section the Civil Rights Act of 1957. With the memory of Central High School in Little Rock fresh in Congress's mind, Congress passed in 1957 the first Civil Rights Act since Reconstruction. It was very mild, fitting the easygoing times. It was negotiated with Democrats from the South, white Democrats from the South. It was not a revolutionary step by any means. However, it was a step forward. It was a step in the right direction. It set up a permanent civil rights commission that investigated violations of civil rights. For the first time since Reconstruction, blacks in the South whose civil rights were violated had a federal agency to go to. They did not have to go to their local government who didn't care, their state government who didn't care. They could contact the Civil Rights Commission and make a specific complaint. Though the Civil Rights Act of 1957 also authorized federal injunctions to protect the voting rights of blacks. Blacks who registered to vote states in the South would find it more difficult to prevent blacks from voting. This is not revolutionary. We have not achieved legal equality in the South yet, but the Civil Rights Act of 1957 is a huge step towards that goal. That the federal government is now taking an active interest in civil rights, whether it's Eisenhower ordering the National Guard to escort those students to school, whether it's Congress setting up a Civil Rights Commission. A lot of people complain that Eisenhower did not move fast enough, did not go far enough, and perhaps that is possible. But that was not in Eisenhower's nature. He was by nature a cautious man, and he did not want to create more social disharmony than he knew there would be social disharmony in the South. Eisenhower says, let's take small but concrete steps. Is that fair? I don't know. Maybe not. That when people are suffering injustice, you want action. Eisenhower did not provide much action, but he did support civil rights in 1957. In Little Rock, he did sign the Civil Rights Act of 1957, which at the very least is a step in the right direction.